Welcome back everyone, the video you've all been waiting for. Let's create your dream life. So the main thing we're going to focus on in this video is the power of setting intentions and the outline that I want to provide to you to help you work towards your dream life. So the first question that you want to focus on: who are you and what do you want to become? So what's important here is that you really find what qualities you have that make you stand out. What is it that makes you you? Let's focus on the qualities. Do you have a positive attitude? Do you love to focus? Do you love to plan? Do you like to manage? Are you good at customer relations? Are you good at cooking? The list goes on. So the second part, find something to do. Whatever it is you want to do. Maybe it's become an actor or become a chef. But in the meantime, you have to work a job that doesn't necessarily pay to those strengths. Now the last part is important because you want to do this before you actually go out to train, apply, or be proactive in pursuing what it is you want. And that is to set your intentions. So the two types of intentions you're going to set are your constant intentions and your specific intentions. So the constant intentions that you're going to set are going to be your qualities and what your strengths are that you're going to carry with you in anything that you do. So for example, my three constants that I have in anything I do are to grow, to take care of my physical and mental well-being so I can have as much energy as possible, and lastly, to provide reliable, efficient, and consistent service to whomever I'm working with. Now the reason why these are so important is because they tie in to our first part of this video. Your strengths and how you're going to use those strengths to keep your constants wherever you go. So a big one that people seldom think about: when you're working this job or when you're doing this sort of deal, how long are you going to do it? Sometimes it's simply, I'll do this until I retire. Sometimes it's, I want to do this until I have X amount of money in my bank account, then I'll retire. Or it could be to do something in order to build your resume to go on to bigger and better things. At the end of the day, the constant, your strengths, your qualities, that should be the most important thing to focus on. So the last part of our specific intentions, how you want to feel. How are you going to feel going in, while you are doing, and when you're leaving whatever it is you do? This is important to note because if you do have something that you are doing, especially if it's in a very demanding field, then you want to structure your life to utilize these three different types of feelings. Do you want to go into work energetic? While you're there, do you want to give it your 100% focus? When you leave, do you want to feel like you can use a nice rest? If you are not feeling these specific feelings, or if there is something different that you want to feel than what you're feeling now, that was a weird hand motion, but go back to step one. Do you think you could do a better job at getting more energy for the morning? Do you think there's something you could do to give yourself more focus during the day? Can you find ways to unwind when you're home from a busy day? If there is any sort of deterrent in any of these categories, then when you go through the cycle and you reach your step two of finding something to do, that is your moment to really think about what it is you want to do with your life. There is absolutely no problem with going through life and experiencing what you believe is best for you and then realizing that may not be what you want to do with your life. Because what you've taken with the experiences, effort, and the time into whatever it is you do, you're going to carry that with you, as well as these constants that you've set forth for yourself. Never doubt your abilities. Never think it's too late to start doing what you want to do in the moment. And as always believe in yourself. Setting a plan for yourself is what motivates you. Setting your intentions is what moves the universe to create the future you want for yourself. I hope you found this video useful. Please feel free to share this with someone who you believe should be living their dream life. Leave a like, leave a comment on what you think you've gotten out of this video that's going to help change your life. Leave a sub, I'd appreciate it. As always, I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.